Hi everyone, it's Ben here from Camera Geeks. Just a couple of days ago I got the chance to head out with Matt Fairbrother from Panasonic, and he had with him the Lumix S5ii. So I got the chance to test it out with various lenses, some of them native L mount lenses and some of them EF lenses, and in this video we're going to see how it performs. I was so impressed by the S5ii that the very next day I went and ordered one for myself. If you have any questions about it, Matt Fairbrother from Panasonic, who's in the video, he was the chap with the beard, he actually is going to be demonstrating it at WEX stores across the UK. So if you click in the description section, you'll see a list of dates and locations where he'll be. If you're not from the UK or if you can't attend, then please post your questions anyway. Matt's going to be keeping an eye on the comments, and I'm sure he'll be able to help you out with any questions you might have. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Please give it a like and please subscribe, and I'll see you next time.